Hi, I'm Alice, and this is Butchart Gardens in Victoria, which is on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. And I'm here because I wanted to share some of these beautiful planting ideas that you might be able to use in your own garden. And this garden was created by the Butchart family. It was originally a limestone quarry, and in 1904, Mrs. Butchart started filling in the quarry and planting one garden at a time. So this magnificent place is a result of all of her efforts. It's been over 100 years of plants and blooms, and it's a pleasure to be here today and to be able to share this.
Are you? Yes, I bought some, which I've never bought.
So this garden is located in an old limestone quarry, and of course when you're digging limestone out of the ground, you've removed all the earth, and there's chips of rock and craters in the ground left. And Mrs. Butchart couldn't abide the idea of having such an ugly vista outside her windows. So she developed this garden, and you can see the beautiful vista of the different plants just in a border. And any part of this border could give you ideas for your own garden at home if you have a space that you want to, that's, in this case, this is a linear border, and it's, of course, is the edging grass. Hi, isn't that a beautiful private garden? This is a beautiful underplanting. Oh, this beautiful red peony, and the contrast of that deep red and the violet and the white is just a really great idea for anybody's garden. I'm standing in front of some shrub type roses, and they're beautiful because they're covered in blooms, and they are such a nice background to any kind of garden area. And many of these you can find as Heirloom and Old Fashion roses. And what's interesting is how they've had different colors that they planted to display here in this garden. Way into the Japanese garden, and you can see how they've used repurposed bamboo to line the pathway and to kind of edge it. And there are different plants that give you the sense of a true Japanese garden. This is a beautiful example of a rock waterway that you could recreate in your own garden if you have an incline, or even if you have a flat area. And around it, other plantings that are all lacy, green on green, both in front and behind. Beautiful azaleas, a sweep of beautiful pink azaleas.